Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 6 for the subject of computers. Topic is word processor tabular presentation, which is covered in chapter 3 starting on page number 24 given in your textbook titled Logic 6 and is being submitted to you on 10th of May year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. So, I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Children, in previous chapter, we learned how to manage files and organize data. Today we will start with new topic, that is how to create table in MS Word. Table. A table is a grid of rows and columns. A table is easy to read and understand as it is an organized arrangement of data. Rows and columns intersect each other and a box appears. That box is known as a cell. In a table, data is entered in a cell. Creating a table. There are different ways to create table as discussed below. Number 1. Using table grid. As shown in given figure, first click on table button in the tables group on the Insert tab. A grid will open. Number 2. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid to select the number of rows and columns. The table will be displayed on the screen. Number 2. Using Insert Table dialog box. Click on Insert tab and select Table button. Now select Insert Table option from menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears as shown in figure. Enter the number of columns and rows in the dialog box and click OK. Your table will appear on your screen. Number 3. Draw table. As shown in figure, click on the table button on the Insert tab. Select Draw Table option. The mouse pointer will change into pencil icon. Drag the mouse pointer from left to right for drawing row. To draw a column, drag the pointer from top to bottom. Your table will be created on your screen. Children, I am giving you 3 minutes break. During break, observe all the figures given on page number 24 and 25. Welcome back, children. Let us continue our topic. Number 4 is quick tables. To create a quick and easy table, use the option Quick Tables as there are pre-designed tables. Follow the steps to insert a quick table. Click where you want to insert a table. Then go to Insert tab and in Tables group, click on Table, then Quick Tables. Select your desired template. Observe figure 3.4 given on page number 25. Number 5. Converting text to a table. If you have entered text in your sheet and later on you want to convert it into a table, then follow the given steps. Number 1. Enter the text. Number 2. Select the entered text. Number 3. Click on Insert tab, then Table button and select the Convert Text to Table option. Number 4. A dialog box will appear. Number 5. Enter the columns and rows under the option Number of columns and number of rows. Step 6. Click OK. Your table will appear on the screen with text entered in it. Students, now we will learn how to enter data in a table created in MS Word. Follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the insertion point in a table cell where you want to type data. Step 2. If you want to go to next adjoining cell, press Tab key or right arrow key. Step 3. If you want to go to previous cell, press Shift plus Tab key or left arrow key. Selecting a cell, row, column and table using mouse. Number 1. To select a cell, click on the left edge of the cell. Number 2. To select a row, click the left mouse button on the left of the row margin and drag to the end of row. Number 3. To select a column, click the left mouse button over the top of the column. Number 4. To select entire table, click on the table move handle. Students, I am ending the lesson here. Kindly read the given assignment carefully. Thank you.